In this video, I will walk you through why TiviMate Premium is widely considered the ultimate app for managing your live television streams. While the free version offers basic features, the premium upgrade transforms your entire viewing experience into something truly professional. The first thing you will notice is the sleek and modern user interface, which looks just like a high-end cable box. One of the best benefits of upgrading is the ability to manage multiple playlists at once. This means you can combine different sources into one seamless guide. You also get advanced features like recurring recordings and the ability to view multiple channels at the same time using the multi-view tool. Customization is where this app really shines because you can change the look of the channel list and even create custom groups for your favorite content. Setting it up is easy since you just need to install the companion app on your phone to unlock the license for your television. If you want a smooth and fast interface that never lags, this is the right choice for your setup today.